Okay, this is another reason why I don't have time to work on my shop. Somewhere down there, we have a hole in the agricultural water line, and we're trying to dig it up. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is another reason to have a good wet dry vac. Does a pretty good job of cleaning up the mud around the pipe. Unfortunately, there's a bunch of tree roots all around this thing. I think these are the wires for the sprinkler controllers. Pretty big root there. Okay, so here's the issue. Obviously there's a T there, you can see it leaking, but underneath is a tree root, and that tree root has pushed up the T to where now it's come apart. So we got to get down in there, maybe cut that tree root underneath of it, and then dig back some so we can fix the whole thing. Okay, you can kind of see what we're dealing with here now. Got a little bit of a root, maybe 12 inches in diameter, lifting up this pipe. I've got the water on a little bit to use this this water to flush out the mud. I'm taking that vacuum and I'm sucking down all around that area so I can get it exposed underneath, and then I'll take a saw to it, chainsaw or something. Probably ruin a blade, but okay, we've been working on this for about 4 hours, and that's where we're at. I pretty much ruined a chainsaw blade, chainsaw chain, trying to cut through that, running into so much dirt and mud. We got most of it out, so I think if we get that last little stump out of there, we can repipe this and fix it up. I did have one casualty. I cut the sprinkler control wire, that wire right there. That's going to require splicing. Okay, I don't know if any of this shows up. I am not a plumber. I'm an electrician. And I look too much like a plumber right now. So, time to go ice my knee and relax. Okay, this job is virtually complete. I buried this pipe section. We can get at those 2 valves. This didn't have valves originally. So once we found this, we decided, hey, put a couple valves in. Why does this thing keep unfocusing? Anyway, I just have to add a little more dirt around it after that settles. I got one other thing. Actually an extension for a septic tank. So it's got a lid. And we'll bolt that lid down and everything will be good.